So now let's see how we can use conditional formatting and then generate a color scale according to our data. So over here you can see that on the discount range I got data that's 4% and data that's 70%. And let's say I want the color scale to be different accordingly. So in order to do that, I'm going to select out all of the data right here, and then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to go to conditional formatting right here. So once I do that, you can see I have color scale as an option, and once I click on it, you can see that this is what you have. You have the bright ranges as the higher end value right here, and the dark ranges as the lower value. So you can go around over here and then change the color of the value right over there, and that is how it looks, as you can see. But let's say I want to have it opposite, so white is going to be for the bottom value, while for the max value I'm going to go for red and so forth, as you can see, and then this is how it actually looks like. So you can also work around with the min and max value right here and then work around with it just like that. I want to do the same with the pricing, so I'm going to go around right here, and let's say I'm going to right click, conditional formatting right here. And if I were to go around right here, let me just go around, right click, conditional formatting, and then I'm going to go to color scale. And let's say for this time, I'm going to go with yellow right here. So this is not going to be the min value. I'm just going to go around right here, go around with this one. And you can see that the max value is yellow and the minimum value is this white. And that is how you can work around with color scale conditional formatting inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.